Okay, so the air vent on my 2006 Toyota Sienna got bashed in and one of the vent leaves broke off. It's not immediately obvious how to get the vent out, so I hope you find this video helpful. I used two flat-bladed screwdrivers. First, wedge one of the screwdrivers against the side and pry it outward. Then use the other screwdriver to pry down a little bit until you can get the vent in this orientation, and then use a screwdriver to pry out the other side. There are two plastic pins on either side that just need to be pried free. This is the removed vent, and this is the problem that I was having. One of those vent leaves broke off and then fell down in, so I couldn't open or close the vent all the way. So if this happens to you, take the vent off, then remove the broken off leaf, and that'll make it so that you can open and close your vent. Putting the leaf in is pretty easy. Just make sure that the bottom fits into the plastic tab at the bottom and at the top. And then double check that everything's working okay. Putting the vent back in is pretty much the reverse. There are these two slots on the sides that need to fit into those plastic pins inside the vent. I found that it worked best if you put the vent in this orientation first and just get it wedged in on both sides. If necessary, use a screwdriver to pry it into place a little bit. Once you have it in there, slowly lift the top up and seat those two plastic pins on either side. And when everything pops into place, you'll hear a nice, satisfying click. And then the vent is back in place. Just double check that everything still works. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe.